everybody. So for today's homework, I've chosen from homework 2.5 question 13, where we are given three different functions and we are asked to find the value for A and B. I chose this question because it took me a while to figure it out, but I finally did, so I'm hoping that I will be able to explain this clearly for everybody. So based on the very first function, what I did is discover that the limit of fx when x it's approaching minus 1 will equal minus 1. And so if you take a look at the second fx, we actually have x that's between minus 1 and 1. So we know that we can actually, fx can also be that when it's approaching minus 1. So then we go that the limit of fx, in this case we're going to take the second one, so it's going to be a, since it's approaching, x is going to be approaching minus 1, minus 1, minus b, then we know it equals minus 1. So based on this we have minus a minus b equals minus 1, and what I did is I multiply each of these ones for minus 1 so that I can get all positive signs. So I got a plus b equals 1. So that's the first thing that I gathered from this information. Then the second one, what I'm going to do is use the same idea but with the third function. So at that point we're going to know that the limit of fx when x is approaching 1, it's 6. So the limit of fx when x is approaching 1 can also be described based on our second function as ax minus b. So that will be a times x, that's 1, minus b equals 6. So that will tell me that a minus b equals 6. So that's the first thing that I'm getting. From here, what I'm taking is that a will equal 6 plus b. So knowing this, I'm going to go back and use that with my a plus b equals 1. So I'm going to do just replacing a for 6 plus b. So a will be 6 plus b equals 1. So from here, I'll take it over here and I'll do 2b equals minus 5. So b will equal minus 5 under 2. So that's the value of b. With this information, I'll go ahead and discover what's the value of a. So we have a plus b equals 1. So a plus b, then now we know it's minus 5 and a half. Minus 5 and a half equals, as we know, 1. So based on this, we have a minus 5 and a half equals 1. And then we're going to take a equals 1 plus 5 and a half, which equals 2 plus 5 half, which equals 7 half. So now I have both of my values. I have a equals 7 and a half and b equals minus 5 and a half. And we got the solution. Hope this was clear, and please feel free to leave me any inputs. Thank you. Bye-bye.